Hey guys, so let's compare apples versus oranges. On a more serious note, both of them belong to a completely different category. One is premium versus the budget, but the idea is to find out how these budget TWS stack up against more premium products like the AirPods Pro. Honestly, these budget TWS earphones are getting really good in a lot of areas, so let's see how big of a gap there is between these two segments. So let's start with the build quality. Honestly, I was expecting something premium from the AirPods Pro for the price, but to be honest, there is nothing that really screams premium about the AirPods Pro in terms of build. If you look at something like the Sennheiser Momentum earphones, they stand out like a premium product, but not the case with the AirPods Pro. On the back you have the metal hinge, something that you also find in the OnePlus Buds as well. So in terms of build, you don't really see a huge gap between the two, and in fact the scope for repairing the AirPods Pro's charging case or the earbuds is very little to almost impossible. And you get the lightning port on the AirPods versus the more convenient Type-C on the OnePlus Buds. And what's worse is that they are including the Type-C to lightning cable charger. I mean, if you don't have a Type-C brick or a laptop with Type-C port, then you cannot really charge this. So you need to buy another expensive accessory like an adapter or a brick itself, and this is basically the same case with the latest iPhone 12 lineup as well. Now at this point I might sound like Apple's hater, but I'm just speaking my mind as a customer. Anyway, moving on, we have the shorter stem on the AirPods Pro, which I personally like. It looks more modern and low profile compared to this longer stem, and I personally just love the look of the AirPods Pro. And the silicone tips on the AirPods Pro just feel a lot better compared to your average TWS earphones, and this is one exception I can make in terms of that premium feeling in terms of build quality or the box contents that you get with the AirPods Pro. You have the touch controls on the OnePlus Buds, whereas you have the pressure sensors on the AirPods Pro. You basically squeeze or press the stem to control the music and stuff. But initially I had difficulty doing that, but it comes down to personal preference. But in terms of compatibility, OnePlus Buds work with both the iPhones or the Android, and most of the functions are available, whereas the AirPods work best with the iDevices and they really have very limited functionality in terms of Android devices. But the AirPods Pro do have ANC and some advanced sensors that you really cannot find in your budget TWS earphones, and this also helped enable the spatial audio as well on the iPhones and iDevices. So the AirPods are known for some great mic quality, so I tried to test them in a slightly different manner. So I asked my friend to record the call so we can know how it sounds to the other party, because that is where most of these TWS earphones don't do well.
Hello, Venu.
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, so I'm actually trying to test out these earphones. I'm in the middle of the road. I mean, I stopped by the road and just can you tell me how is the background noise or is my voice clear basically?
Yeah, it's very clear, but I can hear the background noise.
Yeah, because yeah, there are a lot of vehicles passing by.
Yeah.
But how is the voice like? Is it audible or
O-
like? Do you
Voice
have any
is
difficulty?
no nothing. It's audible. It's very good.
Yeah, so now I switch to another earphones.
Yeah, it's
I'm not
better.
going to tell you which one is which, but can you tell me how is the sound now?
It's also good. Very good.
It's also good compared to that one.
Same background noise is there, but it's good. Compared to that,
So
it is okay.
it is okay, but that one was better, or you suggesting that
That one was better.
that one was better
Yeah.
slightly?
Yeah.
Hello, Venu.
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, so I'm actually trying to test out these earphones. I'm in the middle of the road. I mean, I stopped by the road and just can you tell me how is the background noise or is so now I switch to another earphone.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
not
better.
going to tell you which one is which, but can you tell me how is the sound now?
It's also good. Very good.
It's also good compared to that one.
Same background noise is there, but it's good.
Now moving to the sound quality, both of them sound really good. But yes, the AirPods Pro have a louder volume output. Apart from that, the differences are very subtle and very marginal. And it's not like you're going to get a next level audio experience on the AirPods Pro. Now these budget TWS earphones are coming up with the ANC and all, but there are three things that they really need to work on, and let me just point them out. The microphones have been the biggest complaint in terms of TWS segment, and this is what most people are dissatisfied with. So they should definitely step up the microphone game. And secondly, please bring the dual pairing feature, which basically allows you to connect to two devices simultaneously, which can be a huge deal for a lot of people. And finally, stop being copycats. I mean, try to come up with some new designs or try something innovative. But it's really surprising how far they have come up in terms of sound quality and all the features like the wear detection, touch controls and all the stuff in the budget segment, even offering ANC, so cannot really deny that they offer some great value for money. So that's been it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, also subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.